first grade. Today we are beginning our imaginary trip around the world. And we will need to travel in our minds, which is a fun place actually, because of the travel ban. And it would be too hard to take this many people on a field trip anyway, and expensive. So we'll just go ahead and do it through videos and pictures and our book here. And so we're going to go ahead and take you up to our neighbor here to the north. And it says, this is a map of our world. We will visit countries all over the world. Each country we will visit is in red. And one of the countries in red is, of course, the United States. We've already been visiting, haven't we? Beautiful place. All right, so let's go ahead and visit our neighbor to the north, Canada. Our first stop is Canada, our neighbor to the north, and I will show you on a globe in a moment. We can drive to Canada. In fact, we're so far north in Washington, Canada is not very far away. There is a very special place that is shared by Canada and the United States. It is Niagara Falls. And if any of you have been there, I would love to see it. I'm hoping to go there in June. We'll have to see. It may have to wait. Niagara Falls is partly in the United States and partly in Canada. Toronto is the largest city in Canada. Canadian cities look very much like the cities in the United States, with tall buildings and busy streets. On page 71, the flag of Canada is easy to recognize because of the bright red maple leaf in the middle. I know you've seen those at hockey games. Some police officers in Canada are called Mounties. Many years ago, these police officers wore hats and bright red jackets. The job of the Mounties is to protect the people and help the people the same way police officers do in the United States. And a few things that were invented in Canada are, of course, hockey in Montreal. And our friend Jace tells us, in fact, there are 7 hockey teams in the NHL. And Canada is also known for inventing the egg carton. Who knew? And of course, maple syrup, which we used for our liquid experiment. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you on the globe where Canada is in relation to the United States. All right, first grade, as I was sharing, I will show you on our talking globe here where Canada is, right here to the north. And let's see what our friend has to say about Canada.
Canada got its name from an Indian word that means village. But today, this country is much bigger than a village. It takes up almost half of the continent of North America. Ottawa is the capital of Canada. It's in the Canadian province of Ontario. Ottawa is on the border between Ontario, where people speak English, and Quebec, where they speak French. So in Ottawa, most people speak both.
Montreal is on an island. It is the second biggest city in Canada. It is also the biggest city in the province of Quebec. You can look out over the city from the top of the Montreal Tower. This tower doesn't stand up straight though. It is tilted over, like the Leaning Tower of Pisa in Italy. Only this tower leans over much more.
Hola, first grade. Now we are going to visit our neighbor to the south, Mexico. And we are on page 72. It says Mexico is our neighbor to the south. We could drive to Mexico, but it's faster to fly. Christopher Columbus discovered Mexico in the New World. People from Spain settled there. That's why the Mexican people speak Spanish. Our plane will land in the capital city, Mexico City. Mexico City is the largest city in Mexico. It is also the largest city in North America. The 3 countries that make up the continent of North America are Canada, that we just visited, of course, our country, the United States, and Mexico make up North America. Let's move over to page 73 now. In Mexico, the afternoon is the hottest part of the day. You may see people in the villages wearing sombreros to protect themselves from the hot sun. Afternoon time is siesta, or nap time. Many Mexicans close their shops in the afternoon so they can eat lunch. That's their biggest meal of the day, and rest. Take a little siesta. But we're getting warmed up for a fiesta that we will be celebrating next week for Cinco de Mayo. And I have a few souvenirs here from Mexico. A cute little doll here from Mexico. Bright colors like they like to wear and decorate with. And of course you've seen our maracas. And you each were given a passport. And you may begin, like Mrs. Olson's example here. Actually, this would be Daniel Turnioglu from a couple of years. I need you to write your name and the city you're from and your birth date, because that's what you need on my passport to get into another country. And today we will begin with Mexico. And today is April 27, so you may write that on the day you visited Mexico, at least in our minds. All right, and now I'm going to go have a taco. Hasta luego.
Mexico City is the capital of Mexico and the largest city in North America. It's also one of the most crowded cities in the world. 9 million people live